Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about the five senses. Do you know, kids? What are senses? Senses are the ways our body helps us about the world. I have five senses: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and hands. My eyes can see, my eyes can see, my eyes can see the big brighter moon and sun. My nose can smell, my nose can smell, my nose can smell hot yummy chocolate buns. My ears can hear, my ears can hear, my ears can hear the big loud drum. My tongue can taste, my tongue can taste, my tongue can taste good food, yum yum. My hand can feel, my hand can feel, my hand can feel the silky sand. What fun! I like my five senses, I like my five senses, I like my five senses. Thanks to Allah for everyone.